Hello students, so we have another question here that is asked that pair having same dimensional formula, and we're given force and work, force and torque, work energy and work power. So basically let's go one by one with each option. Let's go with first option, that is saying force. So force is basically mass into acceleration. So this dimensional formula is actually ml. Acceleration is meter per second squared, so mlt to the minus 2. This is all gonna be the dimension for the force, and work is basically force into displacement. So this is gonna be ml squared t minus 2. Okay, so these two are not same. So this cannot be our option. And let's go to option number 3. So force again ml t minus 2, and this is torque is actually that radius cross f perpendicular. So basically this is again similar to work, that is m l2 t minus 2, because this dimension is going to be l, this is the radius, and so again this is not same. Option 3 also cancelled. Let's go to option number 4. Option number 4 is work. So work we got as ml t to the l to the power 2 t to the power minus 2, and power is basically work upon time. So basically this is gonna be ml2 t minus 3. This is again not same. So option 4 also cancelled out, which means we are left only one option, that is option number 2. Let's see. So work is ml2 t minus 2. This is our work, and energy is basically nothing but amount of work done, which is gonna be the same, ml2 t to the power minus 2. So these are same. So basically our answer comes as option 2. Let's tally with our answer sheet. Our answer is absolutely correct. Option 2, work and energy.